In this lesson, we will explore the key terms and concepts that form the foundation of effective inventory control. Understanding these terms is essential for anyone involved in managing stock, logistics, or supply chain operations. Each concept provides a building block for making better decisions and optimizing inventory processes. Let's begin with SKU, or Stock Keeping Unit. A SKU is a unique identifier assigned to each distinct item in inventory. It helps businesses track products individually based on their characteristics, such as size, color, and model. SKUs simplify record keeping, improve stock visibility, and make it easier to manage replenishment and sales performance. Next is EOQ, or Economic Order Quantity. EOQ represents the optimal order size that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding inventory. The EOQ formula balances two competing costs: ordering costs, which increase when smaller orders are placed more frequently, and carrying costs, which rise when larger quantities are kept in stock. By calculating EOQ, businesses can reduce total inventory costs and achieve a balance between efficiency and availability. Another important concept is lead time. Lead time is the total time taken from placing an order with a supplier to receiving the goods and making them available for use or sale. It includes processing time, manufacturing time, and transportation time. Managing lead time effectively helps prevent stockouts and ensures that replenishment orders arrive when needed. Reorder point, or ROP, is another critical term. It refers to the specific inventory level that triggers a new purchase order. The reorder point is calculated based on the average demand during lead time plus any safety stock maintained as a buffer. When inventory reaches this point, a new order is placed to avoid shortages. Safety stock is the extra inventory kept on hand to protect against uncertainties in demand or supply delays. It acts as a cushion that prevents stockouts when actual demand exceeds forecasts or when suppliers take longer to deliver. Determining the right safety stock level is key to maintaining high service levels without overstocking. Next, we have carrying costs. These are the costs associated with holding inventory over a period of time. Carrying costs include storage, insurance, depreciation, and opportunity costs of the capital invested in inventory. Reducing carrying costs improves cash flow and overall profitability. Ordering costs, on the other hand, are the expenses incurred each time a new order is placed. These can include administrative costs, supplier communication, and shipping fees. Companies aim to find a balance between ordering and carrying costs through methods like EOQ or just-in-time systems. Another vital term is stockout. A stockout occurs when an item is not available to meet customer demand. It can result in lost sales, dissatisfied customers, and production disruptions. Preventing stockouts through proper forecasting, safety stock, and timely replenishment is a core objective of inventory management. Let's also understand inventory turnover. This metric measures how many times inventory is sold and replaced during a specific period. A higher turnover rate indicates efficient inventory usage, while a lower rate may signal overstocking or slow-moving items. Tracking turnover helps businesses identify improvement areas and maintain optimal stock levels. Lead time demand is another useful concept. It represents the quantity of a product that will be sold or used during the lead time. It's a critical input for calculating reorder points and safety stock. By accurately estimating lead time demand, companies can prevent both shortages and excess inventory. Lastly, we have service level. This term reflects the probability that a company will meet customer demand without running out of stock. A higher service level means fewer stockouts, but often requires more safety stock. The goal is to set a service level that balances customer satisfaction with inventory costs. Understanding and applying these key terms, SKU, EOQ, lead time, reorder point, safety stock, carrying costs, ordering costs, stockouts, inventory turnover, lead time demand, and service level, empowers businesses to manage inventory scientifically. Mastery of these concepts turns inventory control from a guessing game into a data-driven strategy for efficiency, profitability, and customer satisfaction.